On the 20th of June, one terminal command deleted everything we worked on. Our app TSeller was live on the App Store, but it wasn't a single piece of code behind it. We didn't own any code base. We didn't have a single file that linked back to us. This is the story how we built the best Takealot selling software in South Africa. So it all started in 2025 January when we were sitting next to the beach on holiday, and I was speaking to Tristan. And at the time, if you were a Takealot seller, you didn't have a lot of options when it came to seller softwares. There was one iOS software that wasn't working. It was not available. And then you also had an Android app that was very limited to the features that it offered, just basic analytics. And we sat and we spoke, and I asked, why is there no iOS app? Like, why has no one done this? It really can't be this hard. So the night continued and we just spoke about it. And at the end of the day, we said, okay, let's go for it. It can't be this hard. And let me tell you, that was not the case. And that's exactly why TSeller is where it is today. So here's the thing you need to know about me. I have zero coding experience. Tristan has, but I have absolutely nothing. And that next morning, I found myself going onto my laptop straight the first thing that morning, Googling how to build a mobile app. Went onto YouTube, watched YouTube videos, and I started off with ChatGPT. That was where TSeller all started. Worked the whole day. And at the end of that day, I had a login page. I literally copied and pasted code from ChatGPT into the code editor that we were using at the time. And there was no backend infrastructure. There was nothing. It was just a page and it was on the screen. And at that moment is when we decided this just has to work. If you see it in front of you, you've always visualized how it might look or how it will work. But now that there's actually something and we've actually spent some time on it, even though it was just a day, that was like the moment where this is what we need to do. So when we got back from holiday, we both went full in. So that's where we decided, okay, let's go for it. Let's develop the best Takealot selling app there is in South Africa. So we started full-time working on it. Tristan doing the heavy back-end lifting and then me helping with the minor UI design work. 3 months later, and we finally launched our App Store version. So we launched the app, it went through the Apple review process, and then we ran into our first problem immediately. The subscription logic wasn't working. People could install the app, but couldn't subscribe properly. That was the first roadblock we hit, and it certainly wasn't the last, because what we did next would have killed 99.9% of any startup there is. So remember, we were new at this. We were moving fast, publishing features, cutting corners. One of them that we didn't do properly was we did not set up our GitHub repo correctly. And that's where everything changed. On the 20th of July, we ran a terminal command and it wiped out our entire code base. We did not have a single piece of code. We didn't have a file. We had absolutely nothing. And the insane part was that people were actually downloading the app and using it on a daily basis, and we didn't earn any of it. We did not have anything relating us to the app. If something broke or something was wrong, we couldn't fix it because we didn't even have that project anymore. So that day we were so close to giving up, but luckily we didn't. We made the decision to start from scratch. And that is probably the best thing that could have ever happened to TSeller. We've developed better, faster. The iOS app that came out after that was so much quicker. It was so much more in-depth. It was actually such a better version, and it actually taught us so much from deleting the app, that everything we produced going forward till this day is such a higher quality than what we did before. And from that day on, it just kind of took off. We have expanded so much. We built iOS, then we built Android, and then we ended up building a web version, which we didn't even plan on doing. We wanted to focus on the mobile apps, but then people wanted a web version, and we just couldn't say no. So we developed the web version, which is now at the moment currently our most powerful version out of everything. because there's so much in-depth analysis, a lot of advanced tools that you just can't run on a mobile device that our web version currently has. So it's 2026 now, and we are still shipping features almost weekly. We've kind of shifted now, even where we're not only a Takealot selling app anymore, because our customers and because the people using the app has asked for things. We've built integrations where you can now connect Amazon, Makro, Bob Shop, Shopify, WooCommerce, and we're also in early beta with Zoho integrations, IQ Retails, and a bunch of other tools as well that you can connect inside TSeller for inventory management purposes when you sell on Takealot or any of these platforms. And one thing that has kept us going throughout this whole journey is the feedback from sellers and seeing people actually use it, how people enjoy it, and the comments they have about it. The reason why we do it is simply why we started in the first place. And it comes down to visibility. The Takealot seller portal is very limited to what you see. And back then, even using it on your phone is not a nice experience at all. You now have the mobile app that shows you everything you would need. We want to build something that will give you the tools and the power in your pocket that you don't even have to touch a laptop anymore. And that's what we did. And now we have the web version as well. And we are building and developing in such a way where we can give you the necessary tools that you need to actually grow your business, not to just view things and look at stuff. We want you to grow and we want you to succeed. That is the core principle of TSeller, is visibility. And we want to build it in such a way that it's the most user-friendly version of anything out there. So when we built the app, there was a lot of discussion regarding price points. What are we going to price at? Our app is 199 Rand a month with a 14-day free trial. Our goal going forward is to be able to develop and give you the most powerful tool without increasing that 199 Rand a month. We want a new seller that has never listed a product before to be able to afford the app, subscribe, and then use it to actually improve their experience. And that is the goal of TSeller. And that's the story so far. That's how TSeller started. That's how it's going. And it's nowhere near finished, and it will never be. We are constantly developing. We are constantly working on new stuff. So if you sell on any of those platforms, Takealot, Amazon, Makro, I've mentioned it. If you want to give it a try, as I mentioned, 14-day free trial. Give it a go. Let me know what you guys think, because we really are here for the long run. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more content of TSeller, go to the actual TSeller YouTube channel and go view all our tutorials, all our features on there. And hopefully you guys clicked on that subscribe button, because it does help us out a lot. And I hope to see you guys in the next one.